Well, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Instagram, what to post to actually generate bookings, and how to make your page look professional fast. If you care about making 10K plus months and actually attracting clients through your page, this is a must watch. Now, one thing that a lot of artists do not understand is that followers do not correlate with bookings, okay? I know so many artists who spend so much time on Instagram, and it doesn't mean that they're booked out. And for me personally, I probably visit Instagram like maybe once a week. I probably post once every 2 weeks, and truly I am booked out 30 days consistently, okay? So it is not a matter of how often you're posting. Do you need a solid portfolio? Yes. So we will actually get into what is necessary to have on your page and what really isn't necessary as far as being on Instagram every day, posting consistently. Now, think of your Instagram profile as a portfolio, okay? This is where people will land to decide if they want to take the next step with you. Maybe that action is booking an appointment. Maybe that action is coming in for a consultation. They will likely reference your Instagram page, your website, your Google reviews, anything like this. So setting up an appropriate online presence is crucial. Consistency, not as crucial when you have a system that's consistently delivering traffic to your page. Before and afters are really important, okay? One thing that I just have to pick at that I've never understood in the industry is when artists post a lot of right after results. Now, as an artist, we thoroughly understand things are gonna soften up and heal and look really natural. But as a client who maybe doesn't understand permanent makeup and how it works, their first reaction is going to be a little bit frightened. If they see brows and they can't picture those brows on their own face, immediately they're just thinking, I don't think this style is for me, if they want something a little softer. So posting a lot of healed results is really going to be beneficial for you. There's really no downsides to having your profile full of more healed results rather than right after. Now, whenever I post a right after result, I always will caption it explaining that the brows heal softer. But again, people are scanning visually and they will make a decision in seconds if they feel like you're the right artist for them. So the objective is just making your page the most appealing to your ideal clientele. Another thing, if you are mostly attracting a younger demographic, a younger clientele, say between 20 and 30, posting their faces more on your profile are going to attract more of that audience. If majority of your clientele is older, say between 40 and 60, posting those types of clients on your page will also continue to attract those type of clients. When someone visits your page, they might think, oh, these women look like me. They're in the same age group as me. They will find more similarities and be able to relate to your business and booking with you if they can really visualize themselves as your typical clientele. Someone is clicking your page, making a judgment in seconds, so you just want to make the best impression as you possibly can. As far as the pinned photos at the top, I always recommend having one that shows your face and introduces you, is either you talking to the camera addressing frequently asked questions about your most popular service, or just anything to break the ice between you and that client. Clients genuinely love to know who the actual service provider is. It builds that first layer of trust. And again, there's layers and layers of trust that needs to be built before these people book. Look at your Instagram page right now. Click on it and think to yourself, does this build trust? Does this look inviting? Do I look like a professional? And if not, that's okay. We have some work to do, but I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So just a few more tips here. Remember to post quality over quantity. It's not super important that you're just throwing up a post every single day or creating a little Canva story and throwing it up every single day. To be honest with you, that's just not necessary in generating bookings. All you want to focus on is having a portfolio that when there's traffic driven to it, they make a decision to follow you, they make a decision to further engage with you. So again, pin these 3 videos up top. Your best healed before and after, a professional photo of you and your introduction, and an educational or FAQ video. I have pinned on my profile all of the common questions that I get from my clients, so immediately When someone clicks on my page, they look at my work, they like it, they click on my video, they know more about my service, and now they want to take a further action. Think about the process that someone's going through to discover you, trust you, and book with you. So the goal here is thinking in the mind of the consumer. We're not posting to impress other artists. We're not posting to appeal to other artists, unless of course you're a trainer. But think about how to attract an audience that wants a soft style brow. You want to be posting soft results. Think of an audience that really likes dramatic makeup, but think of the audience that's visiting your page and putting up content that speaks directly to them. I also love to position my captions in a way that speaks to my audience again, not other artists. So I'm always describing their pain point in my caption. Do you have thin or sparse brows? Well, powder brows are that solution, right? Describing what the powder brow is, a brief overview, no heavy permanent makeup jargon, just keeping it very simple, right? And then always having that sort of call to action in your caption as well, which just means directing them to do something next. If they see your posts, they stop, they love it, they read your caption, they think, wow, that's my struggle. Wow, this is the solution. It looks great. Okay, book a free consultation. Perfect. So having this general mindset of how to speak to your audience will help your portfolio just generate you more income and generate more interest in a strategic way. Another thing that I wish I would have started years ago was just investing in high quality photos and lighting. Now, I'm not saying that my photos were bad in the beginning, but understanding different angles for capturing clients, look at other really good artists' portfolios and look at how they take their photographs, because it is so your perception of somebody's work can be so altered if their photographs just aren't high quality, or if their photographs are from very unaesthetic angles. So truly positioning yourself online is all about perception, what someone sees and thinks the second that they click on you. Position yourself as premium, okay? We are selling luxury makeup services, so you want your account to give luxury, premium, high prices, high value service. And remember that your organic content, don't stress about getting views or likes or comments. Put it up there. Don't expect anything from it. Don't get too emotional about it. In fact, I don't even check how many views or likes that I get. I put it up there because I know it has a purpose. When people are drawn to my page, they perceive me in a certain way, and they know what steps to take next. As an overview again, I go sometimes weeks without posting. As long as I have my high quality portfolio sitting there for me, it will generate me bookings when I direct traffic to it. That is so important. I have people come in all the time and say, hey, I've been following you for years. I appreciate that you get on camera, that you educate, that you're very knowledgeable. These are things that they have experienced by just coming across my page, maybe following me for a while. They have learned from me. I have built the trust up just over social media, and that was enough for them to book. So remember, it's not about having the most posts. It's not about having the most followers. It's truly about having high quality content that gives your ideal customer an actual visual of what they can expect, yield results, giving them enough information to make the decision. That's just reels of you educating, reels of you talking and showing your expertise and confidence, and having that premium feel to your page, okay? I hope this helped to build your Instagram presence and make it a bit stronger. Implement these tips today. I promise you will start seeing results happen in different ways and customers actually booking based on what you already have there working for you.